Welcome back to Albany County Fasteners, Fasteners 101. Today I'm going to show you how to hang a picture with these clips. But before we get started, please subscribe, like, and share my videos if you like my content. And hit the bell so we can give you, so we can notify you of new content being uploaded. So let's get started. So to complete this task, you need a ruler, tape measurer, and a marker, a pen, something to mark out your location for your picture. I'm hanging this Anthony Bourdain picture in my house. And on the back, you can hang from many different ways. In this situation, I'm going to use a hook with a couple of nails or brad nails. And the thing that you have to look out for is the slack in the line that you can see here. And usually that slack can be somewhere between 2 and 3 inches. So what I mean by that is, if this is the height where you want this picture, which it is, you need to go up a little bit more. Basically take up the slack that the picture is going to drop on you once you hook it on. But first I want to find the center of this wall. To find the center, I have 72 inches, so 36 inches will be the center of the wall for me. Okay, so I'm going to mark the center, which is right about here. From center, I'm going to go approximately, I'm going to do about 1.5 inches higher. So I want my hanging hook to be right there. So I'm going to grab a hammer. I use these classic hangers, which I like. I've used these for years. And all this is a picture hanger, and it takes 2 of those brad nails that you can basically push in with your fingers as long as there's no stud. And they have these black nails with these brass knurled tops on them. And you just need 2 nails. So one of these hooks can hold up to 50 pounds. Believe it or not, it's pretty good, 50 pounds. So this picture, maybe it weighs about 15-20 pounds, maybe. So this should be sufficient. I may need the hammer, I may not. So let's see what happens. So I'm going to place the hook here. So that spot is the height that I want. And you can just push them down and in. You can see that's dug into the drywall. And these are made to hang right from the drywall. And it's straight. Now I'm just going to tap them in nicely. Nice and easy. Just like that. That's done. Put my hammer down. I'm going to grab my hook and use my finger, or you can just watch and try to hook it. Make sure it's on there so your picture don't drop, and just move it until it is perfect. And or you can stick a level on top if you want to make it level, but that's how simple it is. Thanks for watching.